Parsha Waterfall, a very beautiful place near Manali. It is about 15 minutes drive from the Manali. A beautiful place for trekking, day out and picnic. To reach this place from the road, we have to climb slowly through the stairs. On the way, you will find friendly villagers and you can buy local fruits from them. This is a video from May 2025. So it was summer with rains off and on with cold wind. So it was a perfect blend of nature. Water of this fall is supplied as drinking water to the surrounding areas. So it is advisable not to litter this place. A very beautiful place near Manali for day out hiking or picnic. This is Parsha Waterfall near Manali and I am Vijay. Thanks for watching.